Is it time to buy or sell Nebius Group N.v stock? In this video, we will explore Nebius Group N.v in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 3rd of March, 2020, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and comprehensive analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 24th of February, 2025, our system has categorized Nebius Group N.v as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.78. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a decline of 22.42%. This corresponds to an average loss of 3.74% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 23.37% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 23.37% to 117.44%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 56.07%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 25.07% to 170.49% over the next year. In current terms, this would imply a future price somewhere between $35.14 and $76.01. Our latest daily update for Nebius Group N.v includes the headline, High Volatility in Nebius Group N.v Stock Price on Monday, which ended trading at $28.10. The Nebius Group N.v stock price experienced a decline of 13.51% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, moving from $32.49 down to $28.10. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 20.28%, with a low of $27.59 and a high of $33.18. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, marking a total decline of 36.84% during this period. Interestingly, volume increased on the last day by 6 million shares, although this increase accompanied falling prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 18 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $502,150,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $50.87, while the lowest was $14.09. Currently, the price is 44.76%, or $22.77, below the 52-week high of $50.87, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Shares of Nebius Group, or NBIS, have surged 61% year-to-date, driven by its expansion in artificial intelligence infrastructure amid ongoing macroeconomic challenges. This growing sector, marked by insatiable demand for artificial intelligence capabilities, positions Nebius as a key player in the industry. The company's aggressive investments in both enhancing existing facilities and constructing new ones further bolster its market potential. Additionally, Nebius garnered increased investor interest after NVIDIA disclosed its stake in the company, positively impacting investor sentiment. Analysts have responded favorably, with D.A. Davidson initiating coverage with a buy rating and setting a price target of $50, signaling confidence in Nebius's upward trajectory. However, recent earnings have been a source of volatility for the stock, prompting discussions about whether its recent decline presents a long-term buying opportunity. Despite a post-earnings slip, the potential for growth within the artificial intelligence sector is likely to outweigh short-term fluctuations. In the short term, this attention may drive price momentum, while the long-term prospects remain strong as Nebius solidifies its role in the artificial intelligence infrastructure landscape. The convergence of these factors indicates that NBIS may continue to be a stock to watch in the coming months. Analysts have assigned Nebius Group N.v stock a general sell rating. They have evaluated the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Nebius Group N.v. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Nebius Group N.v. stock shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $34.13 and $36.70. A breakthrough above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 41.54%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Yesterday, trading volume increased despite falling prices, which may serve as an early warning sign, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 85 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 86 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support risk and stop loss for Nebius Group N.v. Nebius Group N.v. finds support from accumulated volume at $27.09. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits significant daily movement, indicating high volatility, and with a notably wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is regarded as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of $5.60 between its high and low, which is a change of 20.28%. Throughout the past week, the stock has maintained an average daily volatility of 14.09%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nebius Group N.v., let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies may face downturns due to factors beyond their control. However, persistently negative P/E ratios might suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative $36.41. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nebius Group N.v. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nebius Group N.v. is at $30.09. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nebius Group N.v. faces its first support level at $27.09. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Nebius Group N.v. stock a good buy? The Nebius Group N.v. stock displays several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that the stock will perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, our evaluation of this stock is negative. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong sell to a sell candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 4th of March, we expect Nebius Group N.v. to open higher by $1.52, starting at $29.62. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.